If you ask me about love and what I know about it, my answer will be it's everything about Allah is pure love towards all the creator of you and me, the heavens and the whole universe, the one that made us all and free, the guardian of his true believer. So when the time gets hard, there's nowhere to turn. Has a promise he will always be there to bless us with his love and his mercy cast. Has a promise he will always be there. He's always watching us, guiding us, and he knows what's in our little hearts. So when you lose your way to Allah, you should turn, 'cause as a promise, he will always be there.